This video has been made possible by BenQ. If you're a digital artist in need of a professional monitor, then check out the link below. Okay everybody, so we're in May 2019, that's what we're going to start off with. I'm going to show you guys how to import multiple OBJs into ZBrush, right? Okay, so I'm going to show my setup first. I got this axe right here, and instead of exporting the whole thing as one piece, I broke it down because that will allow me to work on individual segments in ZBrush, right? So what I got is I got my blade, I got the ring at the bottom there, I got the handle, and then I got the wrap, right? Now I exported these as OBJs into a folder, and that said, let's jump into ZBrush. Alright guys, well, we're in ZBrush. As you can see, you saw my setup in Maya. I want to bring in the individual OBJs into ZBrush to make my workflow a bit easier, right? Now, the problem is when you do that, ZBrush will create a little problem if you don't know what to do. So I'll show you what the problem is first, okay? So I'm going to go up to the top right corner. I'm going to click on Import. Let's go in here, take the blade, click on Open. I'm just going to drag that out, hold Shift to snap it like so, and then hit Edit or hit T to make it editable, right? Okay, cool. So we have the blade. Now let's bring in the next section. So I'm going to go up to Import. Let's do the handle. Let's click on OK. Now what you see is as soon as you import the second OBJ, it will replace the first one, which is kind of annoying, right? Now there's an easy fix for that. What happens is, what you need to do is you need to select something else before you import the second one. So I got my handle right now. If I want to select the second OBJ, I'll just go in here and select the star symbol right there. And that is the one that's going to be replaced, okay? So I got the star, I'm going to go in to import. And let's take the blade, let's import that. So now we have in our overview a blade and a handle. Let's keep on going. Right, I'm going to import again, blade handle, we'll take the ring, open that up. We've got 3 of them right now. Select that star again, import, go in, take the wrap and open that up. So right now we got an overview of 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, which is our complete axe, right? Cool. So now if I go to the subtool menu, I got my wrap and nothing else. But how do I get all the others in here? Well, that's fairly easy. If you go down to the bottom here, you got a button called Append, right? Right now I've got the wrap. I'm going to click on Append. I'm going to go up here. That is a bit sensitive with the pen. And let me just take this ring, for example. Now, trust me, it's there. Okay? We're going to go back to Append. We'll take the blade. There it is. We'll go to Append. Let's take the handle. All right, so now if we zoom out, you'll see they got the whole thing going on. And that's how you do that. So hopefully this was helpful. I'm going to be doing more shorter videos in ZBrush like this. If you got any questions or requests, let me know in the comments, okay? Well, thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.